Now I am discussing about the solved paper MSc Nursing Entrance Examination Part 3. Perinatal mortality rate includes option A, death of fetus from 20 weeks to 28 weeks. Option B, death of fetus from 28 weeks to first 24 hours of birth. Option C, abortion and stillbirths. Option D, stillbirths and death of newborn within first 7 days of life. The answer is D, stillbirths and death of newborn within first 7 days of life. What is the definition of perinatal period? The perinatal period commences at 28 completed weeks of gestation. That is a time when birth weight is normally 1000 gram and ends 7 completed days after birth. Perinatal mortality rate. What is perinatal mortality? All fetal and early neonatal deaths weighing 1000 gram and more between 28 weeks of gestation to first week of neonatal life according to WHO. Perinatal mortality rate. What is perinatal mortality rate? It is expressed in terms of perinatal deaths per 1000 total births. What is a neonatal period? Definition of neonatal period. The neonatal period commences at birth and ends 28 completed days after birth. What is early neonatal period? First 7 days. Late neonatal period 7 to 27 days of life. I think it is 7 to 28 days of life. Perinatal mortality rate, PMR. What is PMR? Fetal and early neonatal deaths per total birth, life plus death into 1000. Perinatal mortality ratio, fetal and early neonatal deaths per life birth into 1000. Incident rate is calculated from option A, case control study, option B, prospective study, option C, retrospective study, option D, RCT. The answer is case control study. Case control study design. Two groups are selected, one of people with the disease or cases and other of people with the same general characteristic but without the disease, that is controlled. Compare the past exposures of both groups. What is incident rate? A measure of how often an event is likely to occur over a particular period of time. What is incident? Incident equals number of new cases during a time period by population at risk during that time period. Incident is a rate calculated for a given time period or time interval. Reflects risk of disease or condition. What is prevalence? Prevalence equals number of existing cases by total number in the population at risk. Prevalence is a proportion. There is two types of prevalence, point prevalence and period prevalence. Point prevalence at a particular instant in time. Period prevalence during a particular interval of time, that is existing cases plus new cases. Incident and prevalence. Incident represents the rate of occurrence of a new cases arising in a given period in a specified population. Prevalence is the frequency of existing cases in a defined population at a given point in time. Number of people in the population who have a disease or other health outcome at one point in time, it is prevalence. Number of people in a population who develop a disease or other health outcome over a period of time, that is new cases over a period of time, that is incident. Prevalence include all cases, both new and pre-existing, in the population at the specified time, whereas incident is limited to new cases only. In cohort study, there is two types, prospective and retrospective. Prospective means look ahead and retrospective means look back. Timing of the cohort studies. In retrospective, both exposure and disease have occurred at start of study. And when disease occurs, then the study starts. Prospective. Exposure has probably occurred. Disease has not occurred. When the exposure occurred, then the study starts. Which is the best index for burden of disease? Option A, case fatality rate. Option B, disability adjusted life years. Option C, dependency ratio. Option D, mortality rate. The answer is disability adjusted life years. Disease burden is measured in DAL wise, disability adjusted life years. Disability adjusted life years are used to measure total burden of disease both from years of life lost and years lived with a disability. 1 DALY, that is disability adjusted life years, equals 1 lost year of healthy life. Expected weight of a child at 1 year whose birth weight was 3.5 kg. Option A 7.5 kg, option B 10.5 kg, option C 11.5 kg, option D 12.5 kg. Most babies double their birth weight by 4 to 6 months of age, and they triple it before their first birthday. So, the weight is 3.5 kg into 3 equals 10.5 kg.